Guys, look at what I've got to show you today. I'm making soaked raisin for my, seasonal baking. And this is how I soak it. I get a bag of raisins and then I open it up, put it in a jar and add the rum to it. I leave it for a year. That's how I used to soak it for a year, up to a year and more. You get the nicest fruitcakes ever. But right now I want to show you a little hack I found that will work well for you if you did this. So soak your raisin and look what you're going to create. Make sure you label your raisin as well and you put it in a dark area, all right? And also put some greaseproof paper around the lid. This will stop the lid from becoming corroded, all right? Then you put it back in the cupboard and you forget about him for now. Normally, I'd let my raisins soak for like a year, but because I want to show you the video, I'm going to show you how I use my raisin into my dessert, all right? So, I'm making rum and raisin, and this is what I'm using, the vanilla ice cream. So let me pour some ice cream out and I'll show you the next step. Well, if you're telling us I'm a favorite ice cream dish, if I tell you, you're gonna make sure your ice cream is not as hard. You need to be soft but not too soft. And take out as much as you want. You could mix it inside of the jug, but I want to mix it in here and then put it back inside of the jug. So now we're going to open up the raisins, all right? And we're going to get, you just need a spoonful, I promise you. This is strong. And then we just need some of the liquid and you pour it on it. I like mine a bit stronger, just a little bit stronger, but it is very strong, guys, because the raisin, this is becoming an extract now, a tincture, sorry. So I put that back up in the cupboard, and then now I have my bowl of raisin and ice cream, and I'm gonna just mix this thoroughly. Mix it nicely like this, like so. Mix it all up, get it all incorporated. And then you get back your container, and then you're gonna pour the ice cream back in here and you put it back into the freezer. All right, and then you just have to taste this. Oh my god. Please try this. Oh my god. I hope I can make this freeze again. Guys, please try it. And if you do, come back and tell me. You don't have to buy rum and raisin, now make your own. This is so nice. But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.